Another week, another workout. This week I would like you to do the workout Murph. Murph is probably one of the most well-known CrossFit workouts that exists. It is a hero workout, and a hero workout means that it is a workout to honor a fallen soldier. Every year on Memorial Day, pretty much everyone who does CrossFit will do the workout Murph, or at least they'll do it in the week of Memorial Day. The workout is very challenging, it's a lot of volume, and it's not recommended to do the full workout Murph if you're not used to this kind of volume. But luckily it's always possible to scale and change every workout within CrossFit so that it does fit your level of fitness. The full workout is 1600 meter run, then 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats, and then you finish with another 1600 meter run. If you want to do it fully prescribed, you will wear a weight vest as well during all of this. I have never done a full Murph myself. I've only done half Murph, and today I'm actually gonna do a quart Murph. So I want to challenge you to also do a quarter Murph. So that's 400 meter run, 25 pull-ups, 50 push-ups, 75 squats, and then another 400 meter run. Okay, so apart from the run, we've got three different movements here. The air squat, the push-up, and the pull-up. If you have access to a pull-up bar, and you can do pull-ups, obviously you can do strict pull-ups, skipping pull-ups, butterfly pull-ups, whatever you know how to do. If you've never done a pull-up before, you could do jumping pull-ups. With jumping pull-ups, you want to make sure that every time when you start the pull-up, you start with stretched arms. So you have to bend your knees to make sure your arms are fully stretched. Then you jump and make sure that you pull the last part up until your chin is completely over the bar. If you have a low bar like this one, you could try doing pulls from under it. So that's gonna look like this. I think that might actually be the one that I'll be using today. I also have an option for you if you're at home. If you have a towel and a door that you can use. I've used it a long time ago in an Instagram video, so I'll put that in here right now. As you can see, there's no reason to skip this workout if you can do pull-ups. Then the push-up, the options you can use. Then the last movement is the air squat.
stay until something better came along. Until something better came along.
this is just a little mini Murph. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Give this one a try. If you don't have a track where you can go, you can just do it in the streets. I usually use the app Runkeeper and just walk first to measure 400 meters, or if you run 200 meters and then turn around, you have 400 as well. So yeah, I just walk it first and then measure the meters, and then after that I know where to go. The sound is from this cool little thing. I never really talk about the warming up. Of course it is important to warm up properly. I will try to incorporate a little bit of warm up in my next video. For the cool down, I always recommend to walk it out, just as I'm doing now. Just have a little walk, makes you cool down, get your breath back, and it's just nice as well. So yeah, that's it for today. If you do like this video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because next Sunday I'll be doing burpees again, and who knows how many they are this time. So yeah, see you later.